What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I think this was sent by the pass-around group, so that means whatever's in there was sent by the manufacturer. Real quick, if you guys haven't checked out my Redbubble link, I do have a ton of really cool Metal Complex themed merch, including stickers in a variety of different colors, including rainbow, which is pretty cool. So if you want to check out my merch, check out the link down there in the description. There's also a link for my Patreon, which you can get your hands on some cool stickers and gain access to my once-a-week Patreon exclusive content, etc. So if you'd like to support the channel, you can do that. I actually have some of the Redbubble stickers here. These came out great. The Metal Complex Reverse theme, the Silent Night, and the Metal Army sticker all came out like perfect. So you can get your hands on those for like $2.50, I think, on Redbubble. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this box here. All right, Rainbow Lady, still just sticking with it. No problem. Power through that cardboard. What do we have in here? We have a Wii knife. Awesome. I haven't looked at a Wii knife in a while. Okay, this is heavy. Heavier than I would normally expect from Wii. Is this brand new? Oh, no. I was going to say, surely it's been opened on one side. Okay, we have a zipper pouch in here. Struggle bus. Open her up here. What do we have? Wow. Okay, this is a beast of it. Is this a lockback? What is this? Where's the thing? Okay, here's the model here. 920A underscore. I don't know that I want to try to pronounce that. Blokow? Blockow? I'm not sure. Gray titanium handle with marble carbon fiber inlay, stonewash finish, and S35 VN. This thing is a beast. What? What happened? that was different. Okay. What the heck is going on here? Okay, so there's resistance here. Look, see? And then you gotta snap it into place. Now, I can't, if I do this, see, it runs into resistance right here. But this, oh, okay, I see. Look at this. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, so this is very different than, what the knife world's used to right now. This is not a knife that people are going to be, like, flicked. This is definitely a knife that you open up like this. But I have to say, here's what I like. The charm of it clicking into place, like this, right? It's weird that this actually pops open, but this, ooh, that feels good. That gives you that bank vaulty satisfaction. Ergos are insane. This feels incredible. I love how that, I mean, this lock is pretty sick. I don't know anything about this lock, and I'm going to do a bunch of research, but that feels like some Titan strength lock up there. That is awesome. Pocket clip is a little odd. I'm sure it does just fine. Whenever there's like a big robust knife, because believe me guys, this is robust. Who's the maker? Barbidit? I don't know how to pronounce that. But anyways, whenever I get my hands on a big robust knife and we have a pocket clip that's kind of the thinner side, seems out of place. But everything else about this knife screams heavy duty. This has got to be at least 9 inches. You can see there I'm getting a full grip. Ergos, oh man, the ergos feel great. I'm loving the bolster look, the marble carbon fiber look. S35 VN I think is a great choice for a knife that's clearly intended for hard use. Let me give you guys another look at that. Disengagement, by the way, on this back lock is great. But oh, and by the way, super smooth. Not that it matters because you're going to hit resistance down here. But you can see how that works in the closed position. I'm not sure exactly what's happening there, but what's happening in the open position is very clear. Right there, you can see it runs, creates some pressure. This part lifts up and then snap into place. I'm going to guess that that's going to be pretty hardcore. Okay, all right, save it for the review. This is very interesting. I cannot wait to talk about this. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's episode or today's upload. If you enjoyed this video, like I always say, let me just pepper my merch in here real quick. Please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.